Hi there, in tutorial 39, we update our list options to be able to show V-switches. We also have an option to make the switches insets. In our list code, we do this with build list 7 and build list 8 code. We add our list, we initialize and set the options, we then bind the data source and indicate that we want to show the left switches. Then we call the methods to add the left switch for each item we want to add in the list. For our build list 8 code, we do the same, however we indicate that the lists should be inset, and then call the method to add right switch. Then the lists appear as we want in our code as planned. Enjoy!